Hey guys, Rasheed Phillips here, and welcome to Smoke Sessions. I've partnered with my amazing friends, Home Depot, Kingsford, and Masterbuilt to bring you some amazing techniques to help you master your flavor. And today we're going to go over the 3-2-1 method. We're going to apply it to a set of baby back ribs. Let's get started. Now the 3-2-1 method basically means you're going to smoke your meat uncovered for 3 hours. Then you're going to apply your glaze, maybe some butter, some aromatics if you like, and wrap it in foil tightly for 2 hours. And for the last hour, you're going to unwrap it and leave it uncovered and apply your sauce or your mop or your spritz, and then enjoy. We're going to do a little spritz. This allows for our rub to adhere. Time for the rub. Nice light coat on the back, and a nice liberal coating on top. Nicely coated, ready for the smoker. Let's take a look at our ribs and see how we're doing. All right, let's get these guys wrapped. So we're at the last step of our 3-2-1 method, the glaze. We've glazed our ribs. It's time to get them back on the smoker. All right guys, my favorite part of the cook, the taste test. Beautiful smoke ring, loving the bark, not falling off the bone. Got that nice char taste coming from our Kingsford charcoal. Worked out very well. We were able to maintain temperatures very easily. Very pleased with how it turned out. Make sure you go visit our friends over at the Home Depot. Grab yourself a Gravity Series 1050 and a bag of Kingsford charcoal. See you guys next week.